Today, everyone, I am Jerome Aaron Barrientos, together with Owen Slanyada, and we are here to present plant vulnerabilities that teach climate change navigation. While these ecosystems are able to act like a voltamper for all of its stresses imbibed of season-to-season weather changes due to its distinct assemblage of fragile organisms, TMCFs are still intricately sensitive. The persistence of these TMCFs is threatened by the doubling of carbon dioxide, which reduces the cloud contact and increases the rates of evapotranspiration. Correspondingly so, the shift in regional temperatures and precipitation patterns are what have been observed to impact its volume and forest reach. Before being able to botanically profile TMCF flora with the context of global warming, it is fundamental to grasp it by its meteorological dynamic. The frequency of precipitation in TMCFs is a result of the cyclic warming of the sea surface, now induced further by global warming. This is explained by the lifting cloud base hypothesis.
Describing species present in TMCFs, the rhododendron genus of woody plants, specifically the rhododendron taxifolium of Mount Amoyo, chronicles a tangible effect of climate change demonstrated in how sparse they have become since 1990s. Being epiphytic plants dependent on humidity, they are a direct litmus test when denied by global warming's increasing events of drying heat waves. One more genus affected by these heat fluctuations in Pacific TMCFs is the Medinilla multiflora myrrh in Mount Makiling. With a pollination, mating system, and stigmatic receptivity heavily characterized by daytime generalist bees and birds, which face just as much as population decline due to climate change, their survival helps us look into global warming changes not necessarily reflected in other extant plant species' abundance or decline. The population of Freycinetia is also threatened due to the extinction of pollinators. Ornithologists suggested that Freycinetia was previously pollinated by 4 bird species that are presently endangered or extinct. Their numbers tell us so much about the damage global warming has already done. Conserving TMCFs, though, does not at large warrant rehabilitation, as most that can be done is prevention and reduction of risk. Aside from doubling down on economic interventions to elude from this practice, as well as making indigenous wisdom as a North Star for environmental policy, strategies focused on profiling responsive flora species should be implemented to maximize real-time data feed and monitoring of at-risk TMCF covers. TMCFs, if not early protected, will bear the brunt of being the collateral in the meantime that institutions still navigate the unprecedented effects of climate change. Fortunately, with the same gifts that these forests provide, like the rhododendron, Medinilla, and the Freycinetia, lessons from their vulnerability teach ways how to rehabilitate what has been endangered in the process and protect what is yet. Thank you so much.